Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up PandaDoc workflows for approvals in the US, full guide step by step clearly. To set up PandaDoc workflows for approvals, start by logging into your PandaDoc account. Navigate to the templates section from your dashboard. Select a template you wish to use for the approval workflow. Click on the Edit button to open the template editor. In the editor, locate the Workflow tab on the right side of the screen. Click on Add Step to create a new approval step. Choose the type of approval you need, either internal or external. For internal approvals, select team members from the drop-down list. For external approvals, enter the email addresses of the approvers. Customize the message that will be sent to the approvers, if necessary. Set deadlines for approval to ensure timely responses. Add conditional logic if your workflow requires different steps based on certain criteria. Once your workflow steps are set, click Save to ensure your progress isn't lost. After saving, preview your workflow to confirm everything is set up correctly. If satisfied with the setup, return to the dashboard and select Create Document. Choose your template from the list and click Use Template. Fill in the necessary fields in your document with the relevant information. Once all fields are completed, click on the Send button to initiate the approval workflow. Your document will now enter the approval process, and approvers will receive notifications. Monitor the status of your approval workflow through your PandaDoc dashboard. Make any necessary adjustments if the workflow does not perform as expected. Once approvals are secured, finalize your document and proceed with the next steps in your process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.